Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade hummus with chickpeas. To begin, gather your core ingredients. You'll need 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, or about 1½ cups of cooked dried chickpeas. Also, have on hand 1/4 cup of tahini, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 small garlic clove, and 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil. These simple components are the foundation for delicious, creamy hummus. For the smoothest hummus, start by preparing your chickpeas properly. If using dried chickpeas, soak them overnight, then cook them until they are incredibly tender, which usually takes about 60 minutes. For an extra creamy texture, gently rub the cooked chickpeas to remove their outer skins. Don't discard the cooking liquid. Reserve about 1/2 cup, as it will be crucial for adjusting your hummus's consistency later. Now let's blend everything to perfection. In a food processor, combine your prepared chickpeas, tahini, and fresh lemon juice. Add the minced garlic and a generous pinch of salt. Begin blending, and while the processor is running, slowly drizzle in the olive oil. Continue blending until the mixture is smooth and creamy. If it's too thick, add the reserved chickpea liquid, 1 tablespoon at a time, until you reach your desired consistency. Your delicious homemade hummus is ready to enjoy. For beautiful presentation, drizzle a little extra virgin olive oil over the top and sprinkle with a dash of paprika or chopped fresh parsley. Serve it with warm pita bread, crunchy vegetable sticks, or as a spread in sandwiches. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Also, for other great kitchen finds and deals, including those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.